bet, y'all. You think this Porsche trying to play with me? Bye, Felicia. Alright, now we're gonna act like citizens again. Good citizens again.
Well, get off your knees, you gotta cry to me. Even if you say, oh God, you still might lie to me. Hop on a jet and get gone, they won't fly with me. Think you pulling strings, but I got my guitar with me. Whoa, you ain't shit, yeah, I know how this goes. It's always me, that's why my heart is cold. But I ain't tripping, cause I know I'm chosen. I'm a ball in this bit like the rose. And heart frozen, it can't go boom, 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 boom. Don't know where I'm going, but I'm a zoom, 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 zoom. I can't control it. I'm trying not to lose my cool. Weight on my heart, it makes it hard for it to go boom, 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 boom.
Yo, what is up? What's up? How you doing? Welcome back to the channel. You are now watching I Stay Joshin', man. I love y'all. I miss y'all so much. Hope you guys are having a beautiful, fantastic, astronomical day, okay? We're doing a POV. All right, we're doing a POV. I'm in the car. Traffic suck. And I know when traffic suck, I get mad and I turn up. So I said, you know what? Let's do a POV, man. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that thing? Listen to it real quick. Beautiful car, beautiful day. So we got to do a POV. Like I said, a POV is a must. So please like, subscribe. Let's get into that content, man. I love y'all. Have a good day. Let's go.
Find the floor, you ain't even on my mind no more. Why you always on my mind for? I ain't asking for a sign no more. What I'm wasting all this time for? Woo! Yeah. And I don't wanna say too much, but you've been steady on my mind. And lately I'm craving your touch. I've been sleeping in my coupe, but I could come and pick you up. I put stars up on the roof so we could sit under the sun, yeah. I'm the one that love to hate, still the one that get.
Oh, y'all not about to get me. That's a whole court case. Boom. You can't see nada. Beautiful tunnels. I'm talking about beautiful tunnels out here, man. Ooh-wee. Sounds so good out here. Gotta get over. Always gotta get over last minute out in this place, man. So, oh man. Alright, we're straight. Get it. I gotta get overtime. I gotta get overtime, and I got over in time. That's what I'm saying. I always gotta get overtime. We got 9 miles out this month. Let's go. Let's go. Sorry for the bouncing, man. The road is so rough out here. Ooh. Ouch. You can feel everything in the Camaro ZL1. Just know that you can feel every bump in the Z. Everything. Oh man, I hate when people do that. Why are you getting over, bro? Just stay there. Stay where you at. Stay where you at. We good. I don't need you. Nah, man, y'all, there's so much more content coming up, crazy content coming up, man. We got my SRT Lynn shutting it down with these legal pits and the venues, man. The venues are the next thing. So we know legal pits are lit and we love them, but the venues is what's making these things crazy, like just dope as hell. venues is popping. You know, we're keeping an eye out as we drive and talk. We want to make sure there's no none of those cars with the red and blue lights on top of them. Oh man, it's always that slow boat. Come on, I'm stuck. I'm stuck behind the slowness. Damn. Things starting to open back up. Starting to open back up. Let's go, peeps. Starting to open back up. Yeah. Gotta check and see who over this hill though, because we don't wanna get busted. We don't wanna get busted. Alright, nobody's over that hill. I don't appreciate, man. If you a slow driver, move. If you gonna drive slow, move. Don't make no kind of sense, bruh. God damn. Slow the way. I think I'm supposed to get off, honestly. Oh shit. There we go. Just get out the way. That's all I asked for. Stop sign. What gear we in? 6. I'm having an organism. Oh, another stop sign, y'all. Man, them shift points are hard. Them shift points are hard, though. Alright, we waiting for the light to turn green. We'll be back, y'all. You think this Porsche trying to play with me? Woohoo! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, now we're gonna act like citizens again. Good citizens again.
They're showing me love, I ain't seen it before. Now I can't get off of the internet. I don't think all this is good for me. That I can use my own cigarettes. I choke on my tongue all the time.
Oh, let me turn that music
I
off,
ain't
man.
dinner yet. I
Y'all
don't
ain't
think
ready
I'm
for
who
my
they want
depressed.
it.
Y'all ain't ready for my depressed ass music. But anywho, we back. I was trying to record me going around this car, man, but they were moving so slow. I didn't want to deal with it. They were moving so slow, and I'm supposed to be at my location at 10 o'clock, so I know I'm moving way too fast, but it's all good. I'm moving way too fast, y'all.